Thanks a lot, Kyle.
All right, thanks.
Jeff Hopper, we're throwing things over to you.
Thank you very much, Leanne. Very excited to have the Underground Comedy Railroad back in our studios for the 3rd annual All Black Canadian Comedy Tour.
Yep.
Andrew Searles is with us, Rodney Ramsey as well. How are you guys?
Great.
Yeah?
I'm exhausted.
I bet you are. Where are you on the tour right now?
Well, we did Toronto first.
Yeah.
Then we went to Brampton, and now we're coming to beautiful Ottawa.
That's and once you've done Ottawa, that's only a 3rd done, right? There's 9 cities now. That's jumped from 3 to 9 cities.
Yeah, it's been a lot of work.
Yeah.
But like after here, we're just going straight out west.
Adding more tracks to the railroad.
I like that.
Yeah,
I like
metaphor,
that.
You got that? You got what I'm saying there? Right there.
All right, so obviously celebrating Black History Month, and this is an idea that started a few years ago, obviously has exploded this year. How did that happen?
I think we were at the point where we've done 3 cities, and then we're like, you know what could we do to really up the ante?
Yeah, I mean, once it's sold out, the 3 cities, we're like, we might as well. People want it.
Right,
So
they
we gotta,
do.
We got to give it. We got to give it to them.
Okay, so it's happening on Family Day on Monday. Where?
At Absolute Comedy.
Perfect.
Right on Preston in heart of Little Italy.
And who will they be seeing when people drop by?
I will be there. Rodney will be there.
Daniel Woodrow will be there. Keisha Brownie will be there as well.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, cool. And so it's a show about minorities finding their voice. Is that a fair assessment?
I think the minorities have already found their voices. We're just right now we're sharing it with the rest of Canada.
Yeah, I like that. I like that idea because what's interesting to me about that is that a comedy is something that it usually completely ignores color at all, and is all about funny.
Yeah, exactly.
And
Are you funny or are you not?
It's a great equalizer, right?
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
really cool. And so, do you have a diverse mix in the crowd?
Yeah, our crowds are very diverse.
Yeah, that's the great thing about the show.
Yeah, it's not just a black crowd. It's like whether you're black, white, Jewish, everyone just comes out because everyone loves comedy, and people want to see what it's like as an African Canadian comedian. What's life like living in Canada?
Yeah.
There's also not enough black people in this country to fill up, I think, a whole room. Anyways, gotta be diverse.
All 18 of them. That's it.
Well, it's fun because you are getting that window, and that's an interesting thing about comedians. You get there's always a little bit of grain of truth in some of the jokes that you get, and some of the tougher things that you face in life. If you can turn it and make it funny, that starts a conversation.
Exactly. Yeah, that's what a lot of my material and Ronnie's material. It just comes from natural life. It's just what do we experience? What do we come across? And how do we see the world? What's it like coming outside and seeing this, and then we're like, okay, let's make fun of it on stage.
Okay, www.undergroundcomedyrailroad.com. Can I get tickets there, or?
Yeah, you could. Well, there's the link will actually tell you to call Absolute Comedy,
Perfect.
which is 613-233-8000 to get
And
your tickets.
on Family Day, what a great thing to go and do. Check out the All Black Canadian Comedy Tour. Congratulations on the growth of that.
Thank you so much. Appreciate
and check out Andrew and Rodney as well. Thanks, guys. Appreciate that. Devin Cuddy is in studio, going to perform for us today. We'll be performing in Canadian Tire Center, opening up for Jim Cuddy Band, or not Jim Cuddy Band, excuse me, for Blue Rodeo.